Warm-up pose. From mountain pose, turn your palms out. Inhale. Reach your arms up and over your head. Exhale, slightly bend the knees. Go on full 4 with the flat back all the way down to the floor. Inhale, coming up halfway, long spine. Reach the chest forward. Exhale, hands on the floor. Step your feet back into plank pose. Inhale, shift the weight forward, shoulders over the wrists. Exhale, knees on the floor. Bend your elbows halfway, chaturanga. Inhale, push up to upward facing dog. Knees off the floor. Exhale, pull your belly in. Send your hips back, downward facing dog. Slightly bend the knees here and push your hips back toward the corner of the ceiling. One breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step your feet forward between the hands. Inhale, come up halfway, long spine, chest forward. Exhale, fold down, relax your head down. Inhale, reach your arms up and over the head. Exhale, palms together, center of your chest. Hands down by the side. Mountain pose. Give yourself a boost. Get in shape and gain better mental focus without ever stepping foot in a gym or relying on weird supplements. Now yours. Everything you need to know to stay healthy, get that ideal body, mental clarity and rest just by doing yoga. Dear friend, if you've ever wanted to get fit, flexible, and healthier overall, then this is for you. Maybe you've tried going to the gym, lifting tons of weights, or even tried very strict diet plans. And if you're like some of us, then you probably have a hard time trying to stick to these kinds of fitness programs because of work, a lack of time, or simply the intensity of the activities. Well, what if I tell you you can get the same fitness benefits and exercise exactly the way you want to? You can stay healthy in your own pace, anytime and anywhere you want, and without having to buy those expensive exercise machines. What you're about to discover is a way that will help you change your life, your body, and your mind, all for the better. Introducing our very own Total Yoga Mastery. Here's a peek on what you'll find inside this course. All you need to know about yoga. A brief introduction to important things you need to know about yoga outright, from what it is and to the various benefits you'll get for trying. Find out how and why you should start practicing yoga now, and you'll be on your way to achieving those body goals. The do's, don'ts, and how to avoid injury. Learn the do's and don'ts of this discipline. One essential step in getting in shape is to avoid harm and unnecessary injuries. Although yoga is not as dangerous as lifting weights in the gym, improper practice and stretching may still lead to injuries. In this module, you'll learn how to practice the proper and most efficient way. Anatomy of the human body. Of course, basic knowledge on human anatomy is necessary for efficient yoga practice. Knowing more on how your body works would not only help you to know which posture targets which muscle, but also helps you to avoid injuries. In this course, you'll learn all the necessary information you will need to make the most out of every yoga session. Yoga poses perfect for beginners. In this module, you'll learn about the various yoga asanas, or postures, for beginners. You won't have to worry about doing a thing wrong because you'll be taught the proper way with detailed descriptions and illustrations to make it much easier for you. Aside from these, you'll also learn about how to do restorative yoga